When we speak, we think in meanings, intentions, and context. But AI works differently. It doesn't understand. It predicts. Based on billions of words it has read, it learns to guess what word probably comes next. Not by thinking like us, but by finding patterns in the data it's seen. Sometimes the prediction is easy. I would like a glass of white. The answer is obvious. 98% confidence. Wine. The model has seen it so many times, it's almost instinct. Red is still in the comfort zone. Red wine is common, but the model is just a little less sure. 95%. A familiar pattern, but not quite as frequent. Still, it's confident. But then things get trickier. I would like a glass of orange. Wine, juice, soda, now the model hesitates. 40% juice. It's not confused, it's calculating. Because behind every prediction, there's a storm of logic. Orange is a fruit and a color. Glass implies a drink. Juice makes sense. But so does wine. The model weighs patterns, co-occurrences, frequencies, all to pick a single word. It might seem simple, but what's happening under the surface is anything but. Neural networks, word embeddings, billions of parameters, all firing in parallel, drawing on fragments of the internet. Just to say, juice. Not because it understands thirst, but because statistically, that's what comes next. Language models don't know the world. They don't understand what red wine tastes like, or how orange juice feels on a hot day. They don't know meaning, only math, only patterns. But those patterns can be astonishingly powerful. This is prediction, not understanding. But sometimes, that's all it takes.